All right. Now, please understand this. Again, we understand that sometimes these things can actually be a little bit misleading because they are being translated into your earth human language. Mm-hmm. You're always in the present. You're never not in the present. You can't be anywhere else actually. Mm-hmm. But you can pretend that you are not in the present. You can create the experience that you're not in the present, but you have to be in the present in order to create that experience.
Right.
If you know that, then you'll always be experiencing the now. Mm. But euphemistically, we have talked many times about the idea that in your terms, the easiest way to do that is by always acting on your highest excitement. Yes? Mm-hmm. Because excitement keeps you in the now. If you live in the now fully, knowing that everything that's going on right now, 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 is exactly what needs to be happening, and you're not thinking you're supposed to be somewhere else, you're not invalidating what's going on now, then you'll stay in the now. Because the only thing that's important is what's going on now and what your relationship is to it. Because remember, even what seems to be many different moments are actually the same moment, just from a different point of view. Hmm. You understand that concept?
I do.
So you're always actually in the now.
Right.
But you can play the game to pretend that you're not. But if you know you always have to be in the now in order to play the game that you're not, then you'll remember that you're always in the now.
Right.
Does this help?
It does, but I have to tell you, this is the most exciting thing I've ever had happen right now.
Yes.
So thank you.
And you can use that because what you call memory is also created in the present. Memory doesn't come from the past. You create it in the present. So if you remember this moment that you feel right now, anytime you wish, you'll be in the now. Yes? Because you're creating a vibration that you say is representative right now of the most exciting thing you have ever experienced.
Right.
So anytime you remember this moment and feel that same feeling, you will then be experiencing the most exciting thing you've ever experienced. Mm-hmm. And when you're in that state, take action from that state. Now, here's another way to look at this, because also we understand again that many times it's all about how you define things. Just because you don't necessarily experience the same sensation all the time doesn't mean you're not experiencing your excitement. Excitement doesn't mean you have to be jumping up and down all the time. Excitement can be a sense of perfect peace and balance. Mm-hmm. So don't assume that just because you're not running around with your hair on fire, don't assume you're not in your highest excitement. Don't let the outer reflection tell you what you are. You determine what you are. Circumstances don't matter. Only state of being does. Yes?
Right.
So, whatever different form of excitement you may create in your life, all you have to know is that everything that happens must, by definition, be some expression of your joy, some expression of your passion, some expression of your excitement. Because how could it be otherwise? Unless, of course, you choose it to be otherwise. Mm-hmm. Do you choose something to not be an expression of your excitement? You can. But do you prefer that?
I always prefer the most exciting thing.
Then anything that happens, you must define it as part of your excitement and not an interruption in it.
See?
Yes?
Yes.
Because then you'll be able to extract the most exciting effect from it, no matter what's happening, no matter what anyone else's intention in that situation is toward you, which has absolutely nothing to do with you. Mm-hmm. Yes?
Right.
Unless you agree that it does. Yes?
Yes.
So it's all about how you define every experience you have. If you know that every experience is there as a representation of your excitement, then you will always experience it in that way, unless you choose to do otherwise. And that's how you stay in the moment.
Okay.